Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in TikTok on iPhone. Step 1. Open TikTok. First open the TikTok on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open settings and privacy. Now tap on the three line in the top right corner. Then select setting and privacy. Step 4. Change language preference. Scroll down and tap language. Choose app language. Next tap on the app language. Choose app language and select the language of the country you want TikTok content from. This helps TikTok understand your regional interest. Step 5. Refresh your For You page. Close TikTok completely, then reopen it and check your For You page. Within a short time, you will start seeing content from the new region. No VPN required. And that's how you can change your TikTok region on iPhone for free. If you want faster results, stay consistent with your interactions. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.